Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Maggie. If you guys are new, welcome or welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a SHEIN Black Friday haul. I know Black Friday's over, but they still have so many great sales on their website and all these items are in stock. I have so many cute pieces to share with you guys. So if you are, looking to dress cute for the winter, definitely continue watching this video. I'll have everything linked in the description box below, not affiliated. So let's just go ahead and get into the video. All right guys, first item of the haul, and I'm so obsessed already. It's essentially these really trendy, like off the shoulder slouchy sweaters. I've seen this all over my For You page, my Explore page, and it's kind of like giving Oakenfort. I feel like Oakenfort has a sweater very similar to this. Basically just off the shoulder, gray, chunky sweater, very, very long. I'm pairing it with like a skirt, but you can pair it with pants in the winter time as well. Pair it with like a pair of stockings and it's gonna be so cute and such a comfortable material as well. It's like the most perfect oversized fit, guys. And then you can also tuck it in, which I think is really cute to make it more cropped. Very, very versatile, cute sweater for the winter time. I'm so obsessed, and honestly, despite it being like off the shoulder, I think it's gonna keep you really warm as well. It's a very nice thick knit material, which I love so much. And the color is like the most perfect gray, charcoalish gray. I'm not sure if the lighting is giving right now. There we go. It's like a really, really gorgeous gray color. I'm not sure how this would look with pants. I just feel like I've seen most, fashion bloggers wearing slouchy sweaters like this with a skirt. It's just giving, guys. I love the sweater so much and I really, really recommend. All right, next item I wanted to share with you guys is a pair of boots. I'm wearing it right now and they're so cute. So this is what they look like. They're just white boots, or like white but like creamy white. Oh my gosh, guys, I've never had a pair of white colored boots. I'm so obsessed though. Like, I think I'm transformed. Like, this is so much cuter. These really are equally as cute as black ones, and I think this fit is absolutely amazing, guys. Like, I'm so obsessed. Like, it actually, the fit of this, I'm so obsessed. It actually makes your legs look so good. So I'm wearing the previous sweater, a skirt. So just like any tennis skirt, looks great with a pair of like these cream colored boots. I think they're really, really cute and I really recommend them, guys. Kind of shook right now because I've never really seen myself in white boots, but so cute. And I'm definitely gonna be wearing it a lot because, oh my gosh, they're so cute and they make your legs look really, really good. So if you guys are looking for a pair of cream colored boots or just boots in general, I definitely recommend these ones because so cute, guys. But yeah, this is the first pair of boots that I wanted to share with you guys. This is the second pair of boots that I wanted to share with you all. This is definitely way more everyday, and this is definitely more within my comfort zone. This one really makes your legs look elongated because of just the style of how it's like cut out at the edges. Your legs aren't fully in the entire boot, if you know what I mean. Like, there's still like a little gap, so it just makes your legs look really long and thin, which we love. And then it has like a fold over flap over the boot, so it makes your legs look even longer. And yeah, I really like how platform it is as well. So if you guys are looking for a boot that has a little bit of a platform, definitely check this one out because it's definitely got like 2 inches of height. Perfect winter boot. You can wear this with skirts, you can wear this with, leggings, jeans, and it'll look just as great. You can wear, a skirt in the wintertime with a pair of tights or something. The style is great, the height is great, it's very comfortable, and I really like the style and how oversized and chunky it looks. So this is the second and last pair of boots. So this is a really comfortable, nice quality, stretchy long sleeve top, and I'm pairing it with this pair of gray pants and it looks really great. All right, so I recently got into Skims. Like, I was like, what is the hype for Skims about? Yeah, obviously I get the hype now, super comfortable, but this, guys, oh my gosh, I think it's perfect as well. And it's such a great dupe for the Skims like Fits Everybody series top. This SHEIN top literally is a great Skims dupe. Also is such a great length. Like, I'm wearing it with the pants and it's not really like too cropped or anything. So, if you do work a corporate job and you're able to wear something that's a little bit more casual, I think this type of top is very perfect. And the quality in the fabric is really great. And I feel like it hugs, the body pretty well. And yeah, if you guys are interested in like a little Skims dupe, definitely check out this top because I think it is just really comfortable and cute. This next item, really obsessed with it as well. Again, another really great basic. especially in the winter time. This is from Daisy, the brand Daisy, and it's essentially just this like black ribbed Henley top. Oh my gosh, is that what it's called? But essentially it just has the buttons going down the front, which I really like. It just adds a little bit of a detail. A really great form-fitting top, like it really hugs you well and very comfortable. Like I'm wearing this and I'm really warm. So this is just a great piece for the winter time because, you know, you can layer on top of this as well. It's a very thin, lightweight top. You're able to stay warm in the winter with this type of top. But yeah, just a really cute top, a cute basic, and I highly recommend. Honestly, I think this might be cuter than the other one, but to be honest, I think both of them are really cute. So I'm obsessed, and yeah, this is like my first time trying on everything, so I'm like stunned by how cute everything is, and just such a great basic. And you can really never have too many of these basic tops for the winter time, especially if you live in Canada. All right, so let's move on to the next item. The last item in the haul video is a pair of pants. They're essentially these gray flared pants. It has a little bit of a black trimming on top. They're very comfortable. I love me a good sweatpant, guys. It is so cold in Toronto nowadays that I need a comfortable pair of pants, and this pair of pants is actually really comfortable. The length is great as well. I am 5'6", like 168 centimeters. It's like actually a really great length. It's like not too long and not too short, so definitely great for lounging around in because they're super soft and a great fit as well. All right, guys, thank you so much if you made it until the end, and don't forget to check me out on my other social media platforms, which are always linked down below in the description box. Hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you guys are, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.